Pi Network Security Reminder: why protecting your passphrase is essential for your digital future. As the global shift toward Web3, decentralized finance, DeFi, and cryptocurrency accelerates, one foundational principle remains unchanged: security is everything. Pi Network, one of the world's largest crypto communities with tens of millions of pioneers, has once again emphasized this truth with an urgent reminder. Never share your passphrase with anyone, and never enter it into unverified websites or applications. This simple but powerful message is critical in a world where digital assets are highly valuable and cyber threats continue to evolve. Understanding the power of a passphrase. A passphrase in the Pi Network ecosystem is far more than a password. It functions as the master key to a user's Pi wallet and all connected applications. Whoever controls the passphrase controls the wallet. A passphrase grants access to your Pi balance, Pi transfers and transactions, decentralized apps, Pi apps, Web3, future smart contracts and services built within the Pi ecosystem. If someone gains access to your passphrase, they gain access to your entire digital future within the Pi network. This is why Pi Core Team stresses that it must remain private, offline, and secured by you alone. Why security matters more than ever in Pi Network. Pi Network's mission is to democratize cryptocurrency and make it accessible to everyday people. With smartphone mining and community-driven verification, Pi has attracted users globally at unprecedented scale. But with popularity comes increased risk. Common threats targeting Pi users include phishing websites that imitate official Pi pages, fake apps pretending to be Pi wallet or Pi browser, scammers posing as Pi Core Team or support staff, social engineering tricks that manipulate people into revealing their passphrases, unsecure storage, like saving passphrases on cloud notes or shared devices. As the Pi network expands its ecosystem, wallets, dApps, mainnet migration, scammers evolve their techniques. This makes security reminders not optional, but essential. Your passphrase equals your wallet equals your future. Pi Core Team often repeats this message because it captures the truth of digital ownership. Cryptocurrencies do not operate like traditional bank accounts. There is no recovery system if you lose your passphrase or if someone else steals it. Protecting your passphrase means you protect your Pi. You protect your financial autonomy. You protect your identity in Web3. You protect your access to future Pi applications and services. In the decentralized world, security begins and ends with the user. Security in the age of Web3. Pi Network is preparing to integrate deeply into the Web3 ecosystem, where users interact with decentralized apps, smart contracts, marketplaces, and tokenized services. But with greater decentralization comes greater responsibility. Key principles of Web3 security. You own your data. You control your assets. There is no central team that can restore lost access. Passphrases and private keys determine ownership. Therefore, safeguarding your passphrase is not just a recommendation, it is the foundation of participating safely in Web3. The role of the pioneer community in security. One of Pi Network's greatest strengths is its global community. Every pioneer plays a role in protecting the network. Community responsibilities include educating new users about secure practices, reporting scam accounts, fake sites, and suspicious apps, reminding others that Pi Core Team never asks for passphrases, following official Pi channels for updates. When pioneers work together, the entire ecosystem becomes more secure. The Pi Core Team's proactive approach. The Pi Core Team consistently shows a commitment to protecting users through regular security reminders, updates on safe wallet practices, warnings about impersonators, new tools and features to enhance account security, educational posts on social media. Their consistent messaging underscores a central truth. A secure community is the foundation of a successful decentralized ecosystem. Challenges ahead. Why security is a shared responsibility. Even the strongest security systems cannot protect users who willingly give away their passphrases. Global crypto adoption also faces challenges such as inconsistent regulations across countries, rising sophistication of phishing attacks, rapid user growth requiring continuous education, lack of digital literacy in some regions. For Pi network to remain secure, every user must be aware, careful, and informed. The growing influence of Pi network security campaigns. Pi network security reminders, especially those amplified by the official Pi Core team account, have gained widespread attention across social media. This visibility raises awareness, strengthens community trust, educates newcomers, reinforces Pi Network's reputation as a user-focused project. By highlighting the importance of passphrase protection, Pi Network positions itself as a responsible leader in the global crypto industry. The future, security will shape Pi Network's growth. As Pi Network expands its ecosystem, decentralized exchanges, tokens, smart contracts, marketplace apps, and innovative Web3 tools, security becomes even more essential. Future Pi developers, businesses, and users will rely on a secure environment to build and grow. And protecting passphrases is the first step in securing that foundation. Conclusion: your passphrase is your digital freedom. Guard it with your life. Pi Network's message is simple, powerful, and essential. Your passphrase is your wallet, your wealth, your identity. Protect it from everyone, no exceptions. In the age of Web3 and decentralized finance, security begins with you. By safeguarding your passphrase, you protect not only your Pi balance but also your participation in the future digital economy the Pi network is creating. Images are headings.